Do you need to start issuing your eTIMS invoices as a service provider but not sure where to begin? In this video, I'll show you how to register your services on online eTIMS account so you can create your invoices quickly and correctly. So if you haven't signed up for an online eTIMS account yet, I have a separate step-by-step video showing how to create your account. I'll pin the link in the comments below. First, access the eTIMS taxpayer portal by visiting etims.kra.go.ke. Then next, log in using your KRA PIN number as the user ID and the password you created during the sign-up process, and then click on Login. Once you have successfully logged in, you will go to the eTIMS menu bar. Then under Item Management, you select Search Registered Item. And then you will click the Register button to add a new service. To continue, you will need to fill in the required details for your service. So start by clicking the drop-down menu under Item Class Code, type the name of your services, and select the class code that best matches your category. So in my case, I'm registering for Information Technology Consulting Services. So that is what I will search in there. And then I'll find my match. Under tax type, select either VAT or non-VAT depending on your tax status. Then for the item name, enter the name of your service. So mine, for example, is IT Consulting Services. Use the same name under Item Standard Name. For the item type, you select Service because you're providing a service. Then under Country of Origin, you choose Kenya. For Package Unit, you select Net because this is a service. And then for Quantity Unit, you can select Number. For the status, choose Active. Under Basic Unit Price, you can enter any amount. So don't worry too much about this figure, as you can change it later when you're creating an invoice. Then once you have completed all the mandatory fields, click the Save button to register your service. A confirmation message will appear on your screen. Click the Yes button to complete the registration of the item. Once successfully registered, the service will appear in your list of registered items as shown on the screen. You can then repeat the process or the same process to register your other services one by one. So to help you understand the process better, let's go ahead and register another service. And that is the end of our item registration process for today. As you can see, both services have been successfully listed here. You can add as many services as your business offers following the same simple process. In the next video, I'll show you how to create invoices using the online eTIMS system as a service provider. Stay tuned by subscribing to the channel so you don't miss out when the next video drops. See you then.